Hey guys, this is Andrew King from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 16, 2012. I just got done doing an interview with Jill Malandrino from Options Profit, part of TheStreet.com. It was very, very exciting to do an interview from the CME floor. I do most of my interviews from the CBOE floor, so it was interesting to see the equipment over there. Anyways, let's look at your recap for today. Start with the daily chart. As we were talking about, we haven't had a lot of movement between this 1331 and about 1360, let's say. So about 30 handle range over the course of the last 10 days now. Today, very bullish day. We are weak overnight. I watch a futures trade probably about 15 hours a day, and the futures were down 7.5 points last night. So it looked like we were coming in and we were ready for, maybe roll over on this 1331. I've talked about we've got buying pressure at 1332 and also at 1342. And then right today when Philly Fed came out, is off to the races. So here's your daily chart. We continue to make higher highs. 1357.25 was the high. My target is still right here at 1373. Then I think we can go all the way to 1440. That's my year-end target. If we go to we would probably have to go to the monthly chart and look back. That was May 2008 highs. Let's look at the 5-minute chart today. We opened up this morning around this 1342. I talked about we've had buying pressure, 1342, 1343. We sold off a little bit this morning. We hit fib zone 0.382. And then right here at 8:55, the end of this close, that's when Philly Fed came out and it was off to the races, squeezing the shorts out. The VIX got absolutely annihilated. It's down about 10% today. We broke through everything. Pivot levels, floor pivots, point of controls. We also even broke this fib level high. I talk about we don't get big ranges lately. Well, look at the low today. 1338 half, the high, 1357 quarter. So that's good for about 19 points. That is a huge range. So today, very, very bullish day. I think the momentum comes on. I had an interview yesterday, and I talked about all dips must be bought. We are in a bullish market right now. How long it can last, nobody knows. Talked about this President's Day effect, and people got squeezed out of it. We usually saw often in President's Days. Alex KOTM on Twitter told me, it looked strong for a while. It looked like we were going to roll over, but the fact of the matter is we're really very strong. We've only had 3 bearish days in February, and if we counted the bullish days, it'd be 3, 6, 9. So 3-to-1 bullish versus bearish, and something very similar in January, about 3-to-1 bullish to bearish. So the momentum continues higher. I still think we go higher. We still have my target at 1373, which is the Bin Laden high. If you don't know what the Bin Laden high, it's the day he was captured. We rattled in Globex session, sold off. That was last year. Levels I'm looking at for tomorrow, obviously today's high, 1357.25. Another area I'm looking at is this red line, it's the floor pivot, and the blue line, which is the point of control. So these are going to be very crucial. 1350 is also important just because it's a round number. These round levels always seem important. To the upside, we have 1373, which I think will be important. To the downside, we have the 1343 and the 1333, where we get more buyers. This is Andrew King from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Remember, if you want all the S&P 500 futures levels, resistance, support, Fibonacci levels, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com. We have all your levels. If there's anything you would like added to the report, please let us know. We are trying to make it the best possible for you. Send me an email, Andrew@KeenOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night, guys.